Well, first of all, being Chinese was looked under, but with time it has proven that they are indeed performing as well as good as the other European trucks perform.
FAW trucks are very reliable and they are not prone to abrupt stops or stoppages.
Gari ya FAW ni gari yenye ina nguvu na consumption yake si mbaya.
They give you the same number of trips that you get from other European trucks.
From the drivers, I can say the feedback is very positive. They are very comfortable with the trucks and we don't have any complaints regarding the trucks.